Right guys, just to sort of point out, when sending equipment in as nice as this, okay, because it is nice, and they do work well when they work, but don't just chuck it in a box, wrap a couple of layers of small bubble wrap around it and then hope for the best, because this happened to this one, okay, bit of bubble wrap gets thrown into a box, and so not only did I have to repair the board that was faulty, which was the carrier board, which is a usual fault, causing a row of lines along the screen and what have you, but I had to repair the controls here and the controls here that had been smashed in. I've got pictures of them on my Facebook page, but I wanted to show you. This is come from a chap in Bulgaria. I've got them in here now. These are the ones I removed. This chap in Bulgaria had them. Brilliant chap. Would advise getting anything from him. And as you can see, where are we now? That one there. Okay, split, broken, pushed through. Can't repair it. Okay, it would need to be replaced, right? So think, right, okay, if that's been hit, might have had damage. I'm not taking any chances. And then later on, when I found, I was checking the rest of them, I found a very fine, but you can just see it. I don't know if you can see it. Hairline crack. See if I can get this up here. There we go. See that split? And what the clue there is as well, is the. I'm sorry about this. I'm not going to do this on my phone. Right, see that bent metal plate? Well, that's supposed to be flat like that one. Okay. That there's been pushed in, and as you can see, you can see the crack. You can see the crack right there, and that would have stopped that control. That's your slope and tune, as it were, making things narrow and wide. So as you can see now, okay, she's all working. No lines, no dots of lines or anything, or lines of dots even, James. Let's see what's up here. And as usual, the bands are quiet. She's all working again anyway. But he's been he's been lucky that that's all it was. These cost a few bob. I mean, that was something like 25 quid each or something, I can't remember. And he's been lucky that there wasn't the rest of it all smashed in. So, yeah, send stuff by all means, but please guys, plenty of bubble wrap if you can. Okie dokie. Nightmare over. Cheers.